In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide alerts for text messages. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messages app, and here can be three different ways how you can hide alerts for text messages, and I'll show you all of them. The first way is just to swipe over to the left on some specific conversation to show up those options, and here just tap at that bell icon to mute that conversation. Here you can see that bell icon, and it means that now that conversation is muted. The next way is to hold down on that conversation and here tap at Show Alerts to show alerts or tap on Hide Alerts to hide them. And the third way is to open up a conversation, then hit right here at conversation name, and there, in order to show or hide alerts for text messages, you can toggle off or toggle on this hide alerts feature and then hit on done. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.